What if the secret to mental peace isn't yoga or therapy, but tiny habits you've been ignoring? Stay with me because I'm going to share 5 powerful mental health tips that you've probably never heard of before, and they can change the way you recharge your mind. Number 1, create micro-renewal rituals. Small, refreshing activities disrupt routine and spark new ideas. Cook a new recipe or spend 10 minutes doodling or learning a new skill. These short breaks stimulate creativity and prevent mental fatigue from setting in. Number 2, understand the feelings around you. Light, sound, scent, and temperature calmly shape your mood. By adjusting these, using natural daylight, soft music or nature sounds, and calming scents like lavender or citrus, you can reduce stress and feel more settled. Create a quiet corner with soft lighting, pleasant smells, and soothing sounds, and avoid harsh blue light at night. Number 3, bring nature indoors. Even if you don't have time for a long walk, incorporating plants, rocks, or nature-inspired pictures can boost your mood and give you a sense of control over your space. A small potted plant on your desk or an open window for fresh air can make a surprising difference. Number 4, practice safe vulnerability. We often bottle up difficult emotions, but sharing them with a trusted friend, writing in a journal, or expressing them through art or song can help release tension, deepen your connection, and build emotional strength. Finally, number 5, brain flossing with exceptional audio. Immersive 8D or binaural soundscapes help clear mental clutter and engage both sides of the brain, allowing you to settle your thoughts. During quiet moments or before bed, put on headphones and look for tracks designed for brain flossing or deep relaxation. Mental wellness isn't a big fix. It's about choosing simple steps to protect your peace of mind. Pick 1 or 2 of these ideas today and start small. See how your mood and focus improve. To learn more, please read the description below and visit our website.